downpipe's ready to be put on. Well, sort of. This is not an easy task, especially when the motor's really hot, but got that bolt out. That one right there. That one went fairly rough, but then it got easy. And I just broke this one loose. I just gotta unscrew this one. Then it's that one down there, and then it should be 2 more on the bottom. So I haven't been recording very much. Starting off from last night, I went to take off this bolt. This one right here was stubborn. It actually ended up being seized after soaking it in WD-40. Still nothing, so actually I had to cut this one off. As you saw, this one broke off easy. The one underneath it, I'm literally unscrewing with my fingertips after breaking it loose, and that one broke loose. Literally all of these are absolutely cake. Incredibly easy to do. Just one of these, that one right there, gave me incredible amounts of trouble to where we had to cut it off. So just giving you guys a little update. Yeah, downpipe's almost ready to come off, but other than that, I'm here at the shop today, as you can see. Got the Z28 right there, GTR right here. I totally forgot to tell you guys last video that I was at my shop when I did the catback install. But yeah, definitely we're gonna get more videos on that car and this car, but we'll leave that for another day. As of right now, gotta get this downpipe off. Now we're done for up here. I got all the top bolts off. That one's off. That one's off. That's the last bolt I gotta do. Let's see that. That one right there. I just gotta take that nut off, and that'll be the last one. That's the 5th bolt. That nut's off. That bolt nut's off. That bolt nut's off. And that bolt nut's off. So, cool. Time to put the car up in the air, and we'll start tackling this thing from the bottom. Time to get off this nasty restriction. That ain't horsepower, boys. That ain't horsepower. Alright, time to go up in the air. The car's on the lift. Pardon my voice. I got the last nut off. Once again, shout out to Liquid Wrench. I tried WD-40. That didn't work. Liquid Wrench seems to be the best for the job. Takes 0 effort to crack these loose. No, this turbo's never been taken off. This car's 100% untouched and came off with no effort. I can do this shit with no effort. Shout out to you, Grizzly. All the downpipe bolts from the turbo are off. We got our factory Subaru downpipe. Get all that restriction, man. If it's not bad enough having a 2-inch pipe coming down, you've got a cat. Then it goes down here to another fucking cat. And then we meet up with the beautiful Invidia 3-inch stainless. So yeah, it'll be nice having this full thing 3-inch stainless. This is my dad's 2015 Nissan GTR Black Edition. The engine and turbo setup was all done and built by SP Engineering. This has the 750R kit, so fully built. Makes 960 horsepower to all 4 wheels on C16 race gas, which we sell. Little plug. It's on Strauss 3-piece wheels. It's pretty crazy. But yeah, super fun car. Definitely expect videos on this car. This car's a beast. This is actually the car that replaced my dad's Subaru. Funny thing, so it's like, shit, maybe one day I'll make that jump too. Subaru GTR, but that's all for another day. This is his newest pickup. It's a 2014. It's the one that's more rare. It's the 2014 Camaro Z28. It has like, I think 3,000 or 4,000 miles on it. But this car is actually getting a Whipple supercharger. So that's what's in these boxes right here. It's getting the full whistle blower. It should be an absolute beast. So that's another car. Videos on, super fun. This is more my style. My dad's camera is actually at my buddy Oscar's shop getting a tranny put in it right now for a lady. So I can't show you guys that car. And there's my brother's 2015 ZL1. So also videos on that, videos on that, videos on that, videos on that, and of course videos on my STI. But yeah, give you guys a little rundown underneath. I gotta get rid of this shit. This is fucking horrible. But yeah, I can't wait to take this fucking nasty shit off. Being an Invidia exhaust like I am, at least with the stock downpipe, every time I turn the car off or even turn and the motor would torque at all, it would bang across this heat shield. So garbage. The fucking times that this shit has embarrassed me when I've turned off my fucking car. There you go. Oh, the downpipe is off. I just took a magnet to the hot side of the turbo just to get all the little metal shavings out, but go ahead and look in here. There you go. The wastegate actuator. Not bad, not bad. This turbo, for having 99,000 miles on it, at least on the hot side, there's no play, no shaft play. So that makes me happy. But yeah, time to put the new downpipe in. New gaskets on for the turbo, ready to put the downpipe on. Just gotta swap my O2. Difference. Downpipe bolts are on. All these nuts are super tight. I got the top ones snugged down pretty good, and the bottom ones are fully torqued. So bottom's torqued really nice, and the top is pretty torqued, but you know, you got to do them evenly. So yeah, bottom nuts are really good. Look at that. Look at that clearance. It just looks so perfect. Invidia did an amazing job with this exhaust. Look at that. Now I just got to connect the mid pipe to my Invidia catback right there. Yeah, O2 sensor is on. Rerouted that a little bit as well to get it away from the tranny. But yeah, Catless downpipe. Almost ready to turn it on. This is the hardware they supply for the mid pipe now. It's a pretty cool little Invidia sticker. Yeah, new gasket, new bolts and nuts. Let's do it. Alright, so the exhaust is complete. So we've got back here the Invidia N1 dual titanium tip exhaust. Invidia comes down. I fixed this little exhaust leak, that was nothing. So here the mid pipe to the resonator. Comes down here to the little flex pipe. It meets here to the Catless Invidia downpipe. The O2 sensor in there. This goes right up in there. There's the back of the turbo. Go ahead and just grab these. I'm going to torque down the top two bolts for the turbo. Look at that beauty. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. Go ahead and torque these two bolts down. Fire it up. There's the turbo. There's the Catless Invidia downpipe. Beautiful. Alright, now all I gotta do now put my top mount intercooler back on. We'll be good to go. Now all I gotta do is upload the stage 2 map supplied by Cobb and run that until I can get a Pro Tune. But yeah, downpipe is on, everything's bolted down, intercooler's back on. Let's go in the car and start messing with the access port. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and select stage 2 plus SF ACN91 V334 boost select.